Hello everyone, good morning. Nice to have you back here. Today we're going to do something. We're going to count. What is count? Count is what we do when we want to know how many things are in some place. We count. This is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to count from 1 to 10. You're going to count now. Get ready to count. Here we go. Ten. We're going to count from 1 to 10. Numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? Get ready for that. Now we need to practice. What we are going to do is to go and here in our browser we're going to type counting 1 to 10 and you're gonna get a lot of pictures, a lot of images about counting. This is very helpful when you are learning. Okay? You can also click something like this, YouTube, and it's going to take you immediately to some videos that you can use. All of them are really good. So I recommend you to go there and find something that you can use to learn the numbers correctly. Because learning is what we want to do. So we keep practicing all the time. Here we have this picture. In this picture we have different kind of fruits. We have bananas, we have watermelon, we have grapes, pears, cherries, pineapples, and some other fruits. So we can try to practice that. Let's count, for example, the oranges. We're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Use your fingers if you need to use them. It's okay. Now let's count the watermelon. Okay? We're going to count them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pieces of watermelon. It's not enough to know the numbers. You know to say them, you know to say the order of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But you also need to know how to write them, cómo escribirlos. You need to know that. 1 is written in a different way than it sounds. 1 se escribe diferente a como se escucha en inglés. Se escribe with an O and E. 2, the number 2. It is written like this, T, W, O. The number 3, T, H, R, E, E. Cada vez que vemos dos E juntas, se pronuncia como si fuese una I. Por eso ahí dice 3. 4. F, O, U, R. 5. F, I, B, E. 5. Now this number 6. S, I, X. Number 7. S, E, B, E, N. 7. Number 8. E, I, G, H, T. 8. Aquí tiene una letra G que en inglés no suena. Solamente se dicen 3 letras. 8. Number 9. N, I, N, E. Quiero que noten que varios o casi todos los números inician con la letra que nosotros conocemos y que sabemos hacer también en español. Esta es la O. En inglés desafortunadamente no inicia igual y por eso vamos a tener que aprenderlo. One. Pero aquí tenemos esta letra. ¿Cuál es el sonido de esta letra? T, T. Por eso aquí es T. No es chu como a veces dicen chu. No es chu, es T. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y finalmente el número 10. ¿Ok? Number 10. T, E, N. 10. These are called cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. And these are the names of the numbers. Son los nombres de los números. Se les llama números cardinales. Repitan conmigo. Cardinal numbers. Se les llama cardinales y ahora vamos a ver otro tipo de números. Pero antes de pasar al otro tipo de números, quiero que hagamos un pequeño ejercicio. ¿Ok? This is the exercise that I want you to do. It's called matching number to words. Papá, mamá, si es que estás ahí al pendiente. Este es un tipo de ejercicio que conviene hacerlo varias veces con nuestros hijos. Escribir en uno de los extremos o en uno de los lados de una página los números en inglés revueltos y después pedirle al alumno o a tu hijo que los una para que vaya identificando claramente los números. So, I am going to ask you kids to copy this. Copien esto de su pantalla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y aquí tú tienes cómo se escriben. What you're going to do is to match this. Okay? I'm going to put it a few seconds so you can pause the video if you need to and then finish that. We are going to do a pause here so you can solve it, okay? Pause the video and solve the exercise. Okay, let's solve the exercise. Number 2, that is number 2, TWO. Number 3, there you go, THREE. Number 4, FOUR. Number 5, FIBE. Number 6, there you go in pink, SIX. Number 7, there you go, number 7. Number 8, we have here the number 8. Number 9. And finally in yellow, number 10. There you go. You have all there. So, this is what we're going to have here. Please remember at all times, okay? Pause. So, as I said before, mom and dad can do something like this. Write numbers in the left side. Write them with the word, the full word, the written word here, and then try to match them. If you do this and you can finish this, is that you know the numbers already. Now let's count. How many children are here? How many we have? Let's count. How many children we have here? If you say 8, you are right. We have 8 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children. Very good. Now let's do something. How many children we have here? How many children we have here? Let's count them. We have 10 children. Let's count them. In blue. 1. Now the girl in pink. 2. Now the girl with the little skirt. 3. This boy here. 4. This little girl. 5. This boy with the gray shirt. 6. Now this with the stripes. 7. This precious girl. 8. This boy with this elegant yellow polo shirt. 9. And finally in dress number 10. We have 10 children here. So as I said before, these are called cardinal numbers. The name of the numbers themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But we also have ordinal numbers. What is that? What ordinal numbers are? Let me explain using this picture. Remember this picture? In this picture you have 8 people, 8 children, 8 students. Así que tenemos a 8 niños. Pero si esa fuese una fila para entrar al salón, ¿está en orden la fila? ¿Sí o no? ¿Cómo debería de estar ordenada? Por estaturas. Es correcto, por estaturas. ¿Quién sería la primera persona en entrar? Who could be the first person to come inside? A eso se refiere ordinal numbers, a números de orden, números ordinales, el orden en el que llevan, en alguna cosa, en algún lugar, en una fila, en una competencia. Cuando tú llegas al principio de todos los demás, tú dices llegué en primero, no dices llegué en 1. A eso es a lo que se refiere. En la fila tú eres el primero, el segundo, el tercero, el cuarto, el quinto y así sucesivamente. No dices soy el 1, el 2, el 3. Lo mismo en los grados de la escuela. Nosotros no decimos voy en grado 1 o voy en un grado, voy en grado 2, voy en grado 3. Decimos voy en primero, voy en segundo, tercero y así hasta que terminas la primaria, que es el 6º grado. That's what we are going to do here. We're going to say that. We're going to say the ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. Los números se dicen prácticamente igual, con una pequeña terminación al final que estaremos viendo en el próximo video. Recuerden, eso es lo que vamos a ver en el siguiente video. Números ordinales, ordinal numbers. Bye, take care.